CCTV footage currently in circulation on social media shows men traveling in a white Toyota AXIO motorcar committing robberies at two different locations.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
In the first incident, which occurred on Sunday, June 20, a white car drove up beside a parked vehicle that a female had just exited. While attempting to open her gate, two men exited the Axio and approached her. On close examination, the man wearing the black shirt appears to have an object in his right hand, while the man in the white shirt hits the victim repeatedly in an attempt to relieve her of her handbag, which fell to the ground and was picked up by his accomplice. The men then boarded the Toyota Axio and sped off. In the second incident, which reportedly took place in the Angels area of Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Monday, June 21, a woman is seen being chased by two men, one of whom with gun in hand relieved her of her handbag and its contents after she fell in her bid to escape. The woman then runs away screaming as the two men boarded a white waiting Toyota Axio, believed to be the same vehicle from the previous robbery, and made good their escape. Meanwhile, the JCF said they are aware of the videos and are currently examining their contents in a bid to match them with reports that have been filed across various police divisions.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!